Dear student, today we are going to start our new chapter of Organic Standard 12 Part 2, Chapter 11 Alcohol, Phenol and Ethers. Now, alcohol, phenols and ethers are basic compounds for the formation of detergents, antiseptic, fragrances, respectively. Alcohol, phenol and ether are the basic compound. એટલે કે ડિટર્જન્ટ બનાવવા માટે એન્ટીસેપ્ટિક્સ લાગ્યું હોય તો બેક્ટેરિયાને મારવા માટે એન્ટીસેપ્ટિક્સ એન કે લાગી ગયું હોય તો પણ એન્ટીસેપ્ટિક્સ બોરોફિલ એક્ટિવ ડિટર્જન્ટ એટલે કે આપણા ઘરમાં નિરમા વોશિંગ પાવડર યુઝ કરીએ છીએ ફ્રેગ્રન્સ એટલે પરફ્યુમ બનાવવામાં ખૂબ જ યુઝ થાય છે. This chapter is important. You have learned the substitution of one or more hydrogen atom from a hydrocarbon. First of all, what is substitution? In the chapter number 10, we discussed about the substitution. Before going to start, once we have to do revision. Generally, carbon atomic number having 6, 2s2, 2px1, 2py, 2pz0. On excited stage, one electron is excited on 2pz. So there are 4 unpaired electrons. In hydrogen, atomic number 1, so 1s1. So in the organic compound, carbon forms 4 covalent bond, and when it combines with hydrogen, so simplest organic compound is methane. કાર્બન પાસે 4 અનપેડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ છે, હાઇડ્રોજન પાસે 1, એટલે બે એક એકનું શેરિંગ કરી એન્ડ કોવેલેન્ટ બોન્ડ ફોર્મ કરશે, સો મિથેન. When one hydrogen is replaced by another group of one or more, so chloromethane. If 2 hydrogen is replaced, then dichloromethane. This is called substitution. Substitution means એકની જગ્યાએ બીજાનું ગોઠવાય છે. Whenever one or more than one hydrogen replaced by another functional group, so it gives many compounds. Yes, this is એટલે શું યાદ રાખવાનું? Hydrogen forms 1 covalent bond, carbon forms 4 covalent bond in organic compound, and generally that bonds are covalent by nature. First of all, we discussed about the chemical bonds of carbon and hydrogen. Now you can see substitution of one or more hydrogen atoms from a hydrocarbon by another atom or a group of atoms result in the formation of entirely new compound having altogether different properties and applications. Yes, so you can see when hydrogen is replaced by OH gives alcohol. OH means alcohol group, but in benzene hydrogen replaced by OH, which is phenol, property will be changed. The property of methane karta property of methanol will be different. Obviously, here is only hydrogen carbon, here is new function group OH. Due to OH, property will be changed. Alcohol and phenol are formed when hydrogen atom in hydrocarbon. Aliphatic. Yes, actually hydrocarbons are 4 types. Methane is the alkane. In ethane, there is whenever Hydrocarbon means only two atoms having compound, hydrogen, and two type of element having compound, hydrogen and carbon, which is called hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbons are four type, alkane. Whenever carbon possesses double bond, so ethane, this is ethene, so alkene. Then after possesses triple bond between two carbon, which is called alkyne. And benzene ring contains 3 pi bond and continuously rotating, means a resonating structure having called aromatics. These three hydrocarbons are aliphatic, which are not a resonating structure. So hydrocarbon come to four type: alkane, alkene, alkyne. Carbon single bond, alkane. Double bond having is called minimum one double bond હોવું જોઈએ. So which is alkene. Minimum one triple bond હોવું જોઈએ, તો alkyne. આ બધા aliphatic છે. When we burns in presence of oxygen, so it's not giving the black smoke, so which are called aliphatic. And when compound hydrocarbon burns with oxygen, gives a black fumes, black smoke, so which is aromatic. Benzene is aromatic hydrocarbon. Alkane, alkene, alkyne are aliphatic. Now understood? Yes, phenol are found when a hydrogen atom in hydrocarbon, aliphatic, aromatic respectively, is replaced by OH group. This class of compound find wide application in industries as well as in day-to-day life. Whenever one hydrogen replaced by OH group in alkane, in alkene or in alkyne, so which is called alcohol. But in benzene ring, hydrogen is replaced by OH, so that is not alcohol but phenol. This class of compound find wide application in industries as well as in day-to-day life. આપણે ડેઈલી રૂટીન લાઈફમાં એકદમ આલ્કોહોલ અને ફિનોલ ખૂબ જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે in industries as well as in our daily life. For instance, have you ever noticed that ordinary spirit used for polishing wooden furniture is chiefly a compound containing hydroxyl group? આપણે લાકડા ઉપર જે સ્પિરિટ લગાડીએ છીએ પોલિશિંગ માટે લાકડાના ફર્નિચર ઉપર, એ મેજર OH ગ્રુપ વાળું ઇથેનોલ છે. CH3 spirit is actually ethanol. The sugar we eat, આપણે ખાંડ ખાઈએ છીએ, yes, which is the sucrose, C12H22O11. It also contains OH group. The cotton used for fabrics, આપણે કપડાં પહેરીએ છીએ, which is cotton, which are made of cellulose, which is also contains OH group. The paper કેમાંથી બને? wood માંથી. Used for writing are made of compound containing OH groups. એ પણ OH એટલે cellulose. wood છે, contains cellulose. ખાંડ ખાઈએ છીએ, it contains cellulose, and in cellulose OH group is present. Just think of life without paper. કાગળ ના હોય તો વિચારો શું થાય? No notebooks, books, newspapers, currency notes, checks, certificate, etc. It's not available. બરાબર? જો કાગળ ના હોય તો બુક ના બને, ન્યૂઝપેપર, કરન્સી નોટ, rupees, checks, certificate ના બને, magazine carrying beautiful photographs and interesting stories would disappear from our life. જો કાગળ જ ના હોત, કાગળ કેમાંથી બને? વુડમાંથી. વુડ ઇઝ અ સેલ્યુલોઝ. સેલ્યુલોઝમાં OH ગ્રુપ હોય. So very important alcohols group. It would have been really a different world. તો કંઈક નવી દુનિયા હોત. An alcohol contains one or more hydroxyl group directly attached to the carbon atom of aliphatic system. Aliphatic means once again alkane, alkene and alkyne, not aromatic. alkane, alkene કે alkyne માં OH group હોય તો alcohol કહેવાય. Aliphatic system means alkane, alkene, alkyne. While a phenol contains OH group directly to the of an aromatic. Aromatic means benzene ring. OH group is connected with carbon, but that carbon of benzene ring, so which is called a phenol. Benzene actually C6H6. One hydrogen is replaced by OH. So here OH group is directly connected with aromatic benzene ring. So that is not alcohol, that is the phenol. The substitution of hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon by alkoxy or aryloxy group yield another class of compound known as ethers. પહેલા કહી દઉં. In the hydrocarbon alkane, alkene and alkyne, if OH group is connected with that carbon, so which are alcohols. Benzene ring contains OH, so phenol. But in the hydrocarbon, hydrogen is replaced by alkoxy. OCH3 means methoxy. OCH2CH3 means ethoxy. OAR, aroxy, aryloxy, phenoxy. This is called phenoxy. Suppose in alkene or alkyne, hydrogen is replaced, substituted by alkoxy group. This is alkoxy. OR means whenever hydrogen is replaced by alkoxy group, it gives ether. Ether means both side carbon is present, which is called ether. Yes, in alkane, phenoxy, aryloxy means phenoxy is there, so there is also both side oxygen, both side carbon. So this one also ether. Yes, for example, both side methyl group is present, which is called dimethyl ether. You may also visualize ether as compound formed by substituting by hydrogen atom of hydroxyl group of an alcohol or phenol by an alkyl or allyl group. Yes. In the alcohol, hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group, so also it gives the ether, meaning of it. Yes, in the aryl, in the phenol, hydrogen is replaced by alkyl, otherwise aryl, so which is also gives the ether. Ether means oxygen ની બે સાઈડ કાર્બન હોવું જોઈએ. This is phenol, right? One side, this is alcohol, one side H, one side alkyl, one side H, one side phenyl, so phenol. Both side carbon groups, so ether. In this unit, we shall discuss the chemistry of three class of compound. So our this chapter we are dividing in three part: alcohol, phenol and ether, namely alcohols, phenols and ether. We will discuss about three classes. First of classification, the classification of the compound makes the study systematic and hence simpler. Why we are studying about classification for the systematic and simpler study. We are classification doing. Therefore, let us first learn how are alcohols, phenols and ether classified. So first of all, classification of alcohols. Alcohols and phenols may be classified as mono, di, tri or poly. Mono means one OH group having compound. Di means two. Tri means three. And polyhydric means many. More than two. Many are called polyhydric compound, depending on whether they contains 1, 2 or 3 or many hydroxyl group respectively in their structure given below. Yes, C2H5OH, first of two carbon. Oxygen generally forms two bonds, hydrogen 1 and carbon for oxygen forms two bond, hydrogen 1, carbon 4. Store in your mind. Here is two carbon, so 4 bond of carbon. Here oxygen 1 and 2 is completed. Here H, here HH, 4 bond completed. So CH3. Sometimes we are taking CH3, CH2 in salt, C2H5OH. There is one OH group, so monohydric alcohol. અહીં આપણે ખાલી ક્લાસિફિકેશન શીખીશું, nomenclature next lecture માં આવશે. Only classification of alcohols here. Only one OH group with alkyl group, which is called monohydric alcohol. This one is alcohol. Why? Here OH group is with alkyl, aliphatic part. Now what about dihydric alcohol? Here is two carbon, OH. So remaining two bonds CH2. You can see 4 bond completed by carbon, 2 by oxygen, 1 by hydrogen. So CH2OH and CH2OH. Here two OH group with alkyl part, so which is called dihydric alcohol. Whenever in the aliphatic hydrocarbon contains one OH group, so it is monohydric alcohol. Whenever two OH group are present, so it is dihydric alcohol. And whenever three OH are present, 3 carbon, and all the 3 carbon contains OH group, 2 1 2 1 2 1 complete, 1 1 1 of hydrogen. So here 2 completed, so remaining 2 with hydrogen, and 3 bond completed, 1 with hydrogen, 2 completed, 2 with hydrogen, CH2OH dash CHOH like this, and CH2OH. There are 3 OH group with alkanes, so which is trihydric alcohol. So classification of the alcohol on the basis of number of OH means hydroxyl group. 1 OH હોય તો monohydric alcohol, 2 OH હોય તો dihydric alcohol, 3 OH હોય તો trihydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol may be further classified according to the hybridization of the carbon atom to which the hydroxyl group is attached. The monohydric alcohol છે એનું પણ ક્લાસિફિકેશન થાય છે. One OH group having alcohol, also classified further on the basis OH containing carbon experiences which type of hybridization. એટલે OH જે કાર્બન સાથે એટેચ છે એનું hybridization કયું છે. On the basis of it we are also classifying that. Now you can see compound containing OH group is sp3. OH containing carbon is sp3 hybridized bond. In this class of alcohol, OH group attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon of an alkyl group. They are further classified into primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. એટલે પહેલા આપણે ક્લાસિફિકેશન શું કર્યું? 1 OH ગ્રુપ હોય તો મોનોહાઇડ્રિક આલ્કોહોલ, 2 OH હોય તો ડાયહાઇડ્રિક આલ્કોહોલ, 3 OH containing compound હોય તો ટ્રાય, અને 4 હોય તો ટેટ્રા, 5 OH હોય તો પેન્ટા, 6 હોય તો હેક્સા, અને 2 કે મોર ધેન 2 OH containing હોય તો પોલી હાઇડ્રોક્સી આલ્કોહોલ કહેવાય. Now monohydric alcohol also classified into 3 classes which are primary, secondary and tertiary. First you can see our OH containing, in methanol we are checking OH containing carbon. I have 4 sigma bonds. Carbon na 4 electrons છે. All the 4 are bonded with another groups. So here bonding pair 4, lone pair 0 around the carbon. So value of X is 4. So sp3 hybridized. Yes, it must be OH containing carbon must be sp3 hybridized. And now our sp3 hybridized carbon is primary, secondary or tertiary. On the basis of it, OH containing carbon is primary, secondary or tertiary. On the basis of it, we are classifying primary. First remember, our OH containing carbon should be sp3 hybridized. કઈ રીતે? આ કાર્બનના 4 બોન્ડ સિગ્મા છે અને 4 સિગ્મા છે એટલે બોન્ડિંગ પેર 4, આમાં 4 યુઝ થઈ ગયા, લોન પેર 0 એટલે 4 5 x ની વેલ્યુ 4 એટલે sp3 હાઇબ્રિડાઇઝ્ડ. હવે જે કાર્બન બીજા એક જ કાર્બન સાથે કનેક્ટેડ હોય તો પ્રાઇમરી કાર્બન. Carbon is attached with another 2 directly, so secondary carbon, and carbon which connected with another 3, so tertiary carbon. On the basis of it, further classification occurs, primary, secondary and tertiary. But store in your mind, primary, secondary, tertiary क्या कहवाय? OH containing carbon should be sp3 hybridized, and that carbon is connected with another one, so primary. That carbon is connected with another 2, secondary. That carbon is connected with another 3 carbon, then it should be tertiary. Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. In these 3 types of alcohol, OH group is attached to primary, secondary and tertiary carbon atom, respectively depicted below. Here you can see our OH containing carbon is sp3 hybridized. Okay. Then after which this means connected with another carbon, suppose CH3. Here is HH, so CH2OH is given. OH containing carbon છે એ sp3 hybridized હોવો જોઈએ, and that carbon is connected with another one, not 2. એટલે આ કાર્બન પ્રાઇમરી હોવું જોઈએ. જે કાર્બન બીજા એક જ કાર્બન સાથે કનેક્ટેડ હોય પ્રાઇમરી કાર્બન કહેવાય. એટલે OH containing carbon is sp3 hybridized, first condition. Second, which is connected attached with another one carbon, so primary alcohol. Understood? Now here our OH containing carbon is sp3 hybridized by 4 sigma bonds, so sp3, and which is connected with another 2. You can see First condition, OH containing carbon should be sp3 hybridized, clear, and that carbon connected with another two. So this one secondary carbon. So this one is secondary alcohol, and which is symbolized as a primary as a 1 degree, secondary as a 2 degree. What about tertiary? Yes, must OH containing carbon should be, first condition, sp3 hybridized. Yes, all the 4 bonds are sigma, single bond, so sp3, and that carbon is connected with another 3. અહીંયા હોય બીજા તો E count નહીં થાય, directly connected 1, 2 and 3. So this one is tertiary carbon, sp3 hybridized containing OH, so tertiary alcohol. જે કાર્બન ઉપર OH કનેક્ટેડ હોય એ sp3 hybridized હોય, and that carbon બીજા 3 સાથે attached હોય, so એને tertiary alcohol કહેવાય. Yes. Now allylic alcohols. Yes. Which one is the allylic? In this alcohols, OH group is attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon and adjacent to the carbon-carbon double bond. That is to an allylic carbon. For example, OH containing carbon should be sp3 hybridized. It is clear. OH containing carbon is the sp3 hybridized, and that carbon connects with another 2 where double bond occurs. Adjacent આના ઉપર ને આનું તો ફરજિયાત compulsory hybridization sp3, and our next carbon per double bond હોય, which is sp2 sp2. So this is allylic alcohol. જે કાર્બન પર OH હોય એનું હાઇબ્રિડાઇઝેશન sp3, અને એના પછીનો જે એડજેક્ટિંગ કાર્બન હોય ત્યાં ડબલ બોન્ડ હોવો જોઈએ. So which is called allylic. Understood? Once again, what is allylic? OH containing carbon should be sp3 hybridized, and next adjacent carbon having double bond possesses double bond, that is called allylic alcohol. Another word simple, carbon carbon double bond, then after carbon la double bond પછી sp3 hybridized તેના ઉપર હોય છે. So allylic. Allylic also 3 types: primary, secondary and tertiary. Why? Whenever carbon-carbon double bond present in compound, then after carbon contains OH group, and that carbon is sp3 hybridized, so allylic. But OH containing carbon is sp3 hybridized, and that carbon, OH containing carbon, is connected with 1. So primary allylic allylic group. This is allylic group. Double bond, પછી single bond, પછી OH, allylic. અને OH containing carbon direct એક સાથે જ છે, so primary. Now carbon carbon double bond, then after carbon possesses sp3 hybridization, contains OH, but that carbon is connected with another 2, so secondary allylic alcohol. First of all, OH containing carbon should be sp3 hybridized. After that, adjacent carbon possesses double bond, so allylic alcohol. Understood? There is double bond, single bond and OH. Here OH containing carbon is attached with 1 carbon, so primary. Here carbon carbon એટલે OH containing carbon is compulsorily sp3 hybridized. Then after carbon possesses double bond, so allylic. But our OH containing carbon is attached. અહીંયા direct એક સાથે છે. Here direct with two. So secondary allylic alcohol. What about tertiary? OH containing carbon should be sp3 hybridized, yes. And then after double bond having group is present, and this carbon OH containing is sp3 hybridized and directly connected with another 3, 1, 2 and 3 carbon, so tertiary allylic alcohol. Understood? Tertiary allylic alcohol. Now we will discuss about it more. Further classification of next lecture. Send me your homework, please.